to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's just TK with Grinch Week. Happy Grinchmas. I want to show you how to make a Grinch punch. It's going to be really, really quick and easy to do. Fun with the kiddos, adults. If you want to put a little liquor in it, you're more than welcome to do so. It's very, very easy. You're just going to get decals from Amazon. You're going to use Hawaiian punch, the green one, lime sherbet, Sprite, pineapple juice, and I think that's it. This is a little bit of behind the scenes. As you can imagine, it is a little bit chaotic to be an upcoming creator or content creator, which I'm trying to go in that direction. It is hard being a photographer, a videographer, editor, and so on. But when you have a good support system, a good team behind you, especially in the household and other places, best friends and twins and things of that nature, and aunts and uncles that watch and support you, and grandmas or Gmas, because that's my grandmother, and just everybody that watches. It's just dope to have. So I really appreciate all of you guys coming along for the journey. I know I'm only supposed to be doing videos every Tuesdays, but you guys have been rocking with your girl for the whole month of December, and I appreciate it. Now, I did not know that decal didn't turn into just like the regular square. It really came off, and that just made it all that much better. Like, it was amazing. I just put the little heart on because, you know, this heart was 2 sizes too small. So basically when I pour it into the cup, you know, that makes it Christmas-like. You get what I mean? You get it. So I would say Publix tried it with this little container of sherbet. But I would say just use the whole thing. If you have the size picture that I have, if I remember what size it is, I'll try to put it down below. If not, I will, I don't know. I'll think of something to try to figure it out for you guys, or I'll put it on the screen, hopefully before I upload this video. So I would put the whole thing of sherbet in there. I would do half or 3 parts of the liquids. So you're going to put in whatever amount you put in of the Hawaiian punch to the Sprite, to the pineapple. Now, for me, I would say put a little bit of less pineapple in it because the pineapple was good, but it can overpower it all. Also, key point, you know how you do like evaporated milk where you do it on both sides? Definitely do it on both sides so it won't take so long for it to actually come out. And that way the juice can flow. But yeah, so you'll just do that, put more juice, and then it's also to taste. So if you want to pour a little bit just to taste it, you're more than welcome to. For me, I put the Sprite on the top due to the fact that it was like the white foam that you see here, and it turned out super cute. Y'all, then you're gonna pour yourself some sprinkles in a little container or a plate. Then you're also going to get something a little bit wet. So I just did the pineapple juice on the rim, and I just made sure it was wet all the way, and I just put it in the sprinkles, and as you'll see, and then shake it up, put more sprinkles if you need it, and just keep turning. I was so excited making this drink, y'all. I love the Grinch. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just love that man, and Max. So listen, pour yourself a good cup of this Grinch punch, share it with the family. And look how perfect it came out to be. And it was so easy to make. Bye, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.